Alright guys, so here we go. I'm starting this. It is nighttime and I'm going to show you guys in the morning how it comes out. It's so pretty. It's so easy. All you're going to need is water and these scrunchies. I believe these were like by Goody, but they're these scrunchies. You can get them at Walmart, Target, and they stretch really far. I love these because my hair is thick and I can just put them around easily and they fit snug and they're not going to come off. Because with this style, you do not want your Bantu knots, what we're going to make, to come out. This is so simple, guys. That's why I was so excited to show you. You're also going to need a brush like this. This is by Conair. It's one of my favorite brushes. I love this brush. Something about the bristles, the way they did it. It's my staple brush I have here at home. So let's just get into it. I have right here a spray bottle filled with water. Normally I would be in my restroom. I'm not in my restroom. Just for recording purposes, I wanted to show you guys that I'm going to be using water. And you're also going to need your bonnet. I have one of these satin lined bonnets. This is amazing. I got this on Amazon and it's by Yanni Best or Yanni Best. And it is a cap that fits like this. And on the inside it is satin lined. And I love that. I'm looking at the tag to see if it can give me more information. Yeah, 100% satin lining. That's what I love so much. I wanted a cute bonnet. I have the bonnets. Guys, we know what the bonnets look like. And I was so tired of that look. So I wanted something cuter. And so I got this so that when I put it on, it's kind of like, you know, now I look like a skater. But I can actually wear this out if I wanted to, tuck my hair inside. I've already pre-parted my hair and I just wanted a middle part. And after you do that, I'm taking my brush and I just do 4 sections. So I'm just brushing out this first section here. Since my hair is straight, I do not want it to revert and go back into its curly state. So I take a little bit of water. Like if I was in the restroom, I would just put my hand under the sink, turn on the faucet, do this really quick, and that's the amount of water you need. But since I'm not in my restroom, I'm going to use this spray bottle here. And then I'm going to put that at the bottom of my hair like this. You can kind of feel if it's wet enough. I think I'm going to do another spray. You don't want your hair saturated because this will cause your hair to revert immediately. Brush it through. You take your hair and you're just going to make a Bantu knot. And if you don't know what that is, that's this when you take your hair and I'm twisting and turning at the same time. I twist like this, kind of with one finger, and turn, twist, and turn, twisting and turning at the same time. Then I take my scrunchie. This isn't a scrunchie, but I take my band and I go around about 3 times until it looks like that. So as you guys can see, this forms like a little Bantu knot. Don't do it too tight because you don't want to give yourself a headache at night and you don't want to be uncomfortable. But that is all you do. So I'm going to do that to the other side of my hair. So I'm going to comb that section. I'm spraying and then I'm just going to, mainly I put it at the bottom of my hair. You kind of got to get a feel of how wet your hair is. You don't want it soaked, but you want it wet enough so that it will hold a curl. And I think I'm going to do one more spray. Then I'm going to brush that through, picking up my hair. And once again, oh, let me tell you this. You want to turn towards your face. That's very important. Turn towards your face if you want the style that I showed you in the beginning. If you want your curls to fall that way, turn towards your face. So I'm turning towards my face and I'm also turning around at the same time. So I'm twisting the hair and going around at the same time. And you keep doing that. Twist and turn. And then this end piece, I'm just going to tuck it underneath. It doesn't have to be perfect. Some people wear this as a style, but right now we're not doing this as a style. We're going to sleep. So this band is a little bit tighter, so I'm just going to do twice. Secure it with your band. Alright guys, I'm going to turn around and do the back. Guys, I took one out because I left out a strand, but we're just going to do that again. Make sure you grip all the hair so that you don't have any straight pieces dangling out that you didn't catch. And sometimes you might have to redo this. It's not like you do it one time and you're like, that's it. If you feel like it's not wet enough to hold the curl, or you feel like, you know, you've missed a few pieces, don't be afraid to do it over, because actually this front one that I showed you guys, I'm going to redo that one because I don't feel like I put enough water. But guys, as you can see, the curl is already starting to form. Alright, so we did that one over, and if you want really tight curls, you're going to wrap your band around it a lot more times and more tighter. It just depends. You'll get a feel for this. But I don't want my curls super tight, so I'm going to wrap it around once, twice. I'm going to wrap it 3 times up in the front. That is going to give me a pretty tight curl, but it just all depends. But as you guys can see, this is so simple, and it was only in 4 parts. After that, I take my little bonnet. Well, we're not going to call it a bonnet. We take my cap. I don't have anything really against bonnets, guys. I wear those too. I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it. And we're just going to place that over. So just a little recap, you just need the elastic bands, a satin bonnet or a satin scarf, water, and a brush. That's it. I didn't use any kind of product. I don't have any product in my hair since I washed it. I don't put in creams, oils, and all that in between my wash days. I just wash and condition and let my natural oils go. And if I curl my hair, I just use water. So guys, you have to try this out. You'll see in the morning. Good night. Guys, I'm just hopping in here, brief intermission. I sat down to edit this footage, and this morning when I revealed how my hair looks, there's no audio. There's no sound. It did not record. So we're just going to do the remainder of this video with a voiceover. Alright guys, good morning. Right here I was just showing you guys how my hair looked. Just taking my bonnet off. And now I am unraveling my hair, and I just want to suggest that whenever you do this, to make sure you do it gently. Don't be very harsh with your hair because you don't want to break it off. And this is what the curl looks like from overnight. It's so pretty, and it came out loose just the way that I wanted it to look. Right here I'm just taking it all out, and right here I'm raking through my hair. You can take a brush or a comb and do this. You're really just maneuvering the curls around and making them the way you want them to look. So it's really a matter of preference. Just fluffing it out, just getting a feel of how I want my hair to look. This is a side view of my hair, and then I turn around and here is a view from the back. So it's like pretty beach waves. Here I'm saying it's such an easy hairstyle to do because it's heatless, non-damaging. And I know this part that's coming up. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.